Welcome back! Your funnel is built. Now, let's get you paid. You need a payment processor to securely collect credit cards. Choose Stripe to manage things yourself, or choose Digistore24 to have them handle customer service and list your product in their massive affiliate marketplace. Both are great, both are easy. Just connect your account, follow the prompts, and verify the connection. You only have to do this once. Now, let's publish, review your product details, and set your referral fee. This is what you pay affiliates to promote your offer. We recommend at least 30%. Hit next, and your product goes through a quick automated compliance check to make sure everything meets the terms of service. Apply any requested updates and hit publish. You're live. Your payment processor is set up and your product is listed on Digistore24. Need help promoting it? Jump into promo packs. Give us one sentence and get an endless supply of social posts, ad copy, and email ideas. You've built your offer. You're ready to sell. Welcome to PageWheel.